In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a space and the entire workspace in ClickUp. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview so everything makes sense. In ClickUp, a space is like a dedicated area for a team, department, or project. The space owner controls settings and permissions for that specific area. The workspace, on the other hand, is the umbrella that holds all your spaces, people, and global settings. The workspace owner has the highest level of control. To make these changes, you'll need the right permissions. If your screen looks a little different, it may be due to your plan or a recent interface update. So don't worry if the menus are in slightly different spots. Let's start by changing the owner of a single space. Open ClickUp and find the space you want in the left sidebar. Hover over its name, click the three dots to open the options menu, and select Space Settings. When the panel opens, choose All Space Settings to see the full configuration page. On this page, look for the Owner field. Click the drop-down, pick the person who should become the new owner, and then scroll to the bottom to hit Save Changes. This part is important. Your selection won't apply unless you save. Once you do, the space will update to reflect the new owner, which can affect who can modify advanced settings, manage permissions, and control key features in that space. If you don't immediately see the Save Changes button, try scrolling. Longer settings pages can hide it below the fold. And if the owner dropdown isn't visible to you, that usually means your account doesn't have permission to assign owners for that space. Now, let's transfer ownership of the entire workspace. Go to the main settings area, typically found in the lower left corner. Inside settings, select workspaces. You'll see a list of the workspaces connected to your account. Choose the one you want to update. After it loads, you'll land on the workspace settings page. Scroll until you find the option called Transfer Ownership of Workspace and click it. This hands over top-level control, including global settings, member management, and billing, to the new owner. Because this is a significant change, double check that you've selected the correct workspace and that the person you're transferring to is an active member with the appropriate role. If you don't see the transfer option, you're likely not the current owner or you don't have the necessary permission to make this change. That's it. Changing ownership for a space and for the entire workspace in ClickUp is straightforward once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.